Years ago, Disney's Little Mermaid thrilled audiences around the world. Last year, Beauty and the Beast became the first animated movie to receive an Oscar nomination for Best Picture of the Year. Now, Disney takes you on an adventure beyond your imagination.
Hey! 10,000 years will give you such a crick in the neck.
Walt Disney Pictures presents Aladdin. The movie Time magazine calls exhilarating an animated Raiders of the Lost Ark. Rolling Stone says Robin Williams is a hip comic wonder. He might just wish himself up a cartoon Oscar.
And what better way to make your grand entrance on the streets of Agrabah than riding your very own brand new camel?
Watch out, they spit.
The Disney wizards have outdone themselves again, creating another classic fairy tale filled with fantasy, suspense, and exquisite beauty.
A whole new world. Don't you dare close your eyes.
And Siskel and Ebert rave, this is an amazing piece of entertainment. 2 thumbs up. It would have taken a miracle to surpass the achievement of Beauty and the Beast. The miracle's name is Aladdin, the best film of the year.
All right!
Walt Disney Pictures, Aladdin, rated G. Now playing at a theater near you.